What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna show you what's in the shop this week. Behind me is the Rolls Royce that I believe you saw last week. I think so, at least. We got paint protection film all the way around on this thing. It's ceramic coated now, and it is ready to go home. So I present to you this monster. We also have Bobby's i8. You guys are probably familiar with his YouTube channel at this point, Eat, Pray, Hustle, and also Valhalla, the axe throwing place, and Kingsman Billiards, and Paddle Pong. He's got all kinds of businesses, and they're all fun businesses, so check him out. We did some paint protection film on the back end of that car. And we have a Heritage Edition GT350. We're gonna do a video on this car also, but this one got a full XPEL wrap with the 10 mil film, so it's a little bit thicker than the normal XPEL. Now it's getting a ceramic coating and window tint over the next couple of days. So the wrap is all finished up. It's ready to come inside for those other things. So inside the tint bay, Terrell is working on a Grand Caravan, tinting the front windows of that. He's almost done. We've got a BMW 335 that's in progress as well, so that one will be getting done shortly. And over here on this side of the world, got a loud vacuum. Tyler's working on a seasonal detail package on this Dodge Ram. Jimmy is currently ceramic coating a Tesla Model 3. I told you guys, every week there's another Tesla. I'm not lying. So here is this week's Tesla. Also, our friend Doc, Dr. M3, go check out his YouTube, because he just announced he got a Tesla Model Y. And in the wash bay, we've got an Escalade. This is here for another detail package. We're detailing cars every single day, all day, 6 days a week, so give us a call. We haven't really slowed down for the winter for details at all this year, which is cool. Patrick is in the progress of correcting the paint on this Sierra. It's getting a ceramic coating. I think this is a Ceramic Pro silver package. And Marshall, as always, is installing remote start systems. Hi, Marshall.
Hi. I'm on my knees for Blackout, as always.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows you.
Over here, last but not least, we have a Ford Raptor, and this is getting a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, the front windows tinted, and a ceramic coating. Seems like that's quickly becoming our most popular package, is a full wrap, tint, and a coating, so that's cool. Used to be front ends, full wraps are better. And that's it for what's going on in the shop this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do, and we'll see you next week.